Pangulo ay nagsabi, I don't approve or deny it, but you know, the ICC haven't done anything illegal. Ito yung tinutukoy ni Secretary Boying na pagbabago. Once they do, we will do something about it, but we are an open country. 19-2024, June, VP resigns as DepEd Secretary. 20 July, Maisog, Rally Liwasan. 16 August, First Quadcom in Bacolor, Pampanga. 22 September 2024, VP Sara says, hindi naman kasi kami talaga nag-uusap. Hindi kami magkaibigan unang-una. Ayun na. And then 12 October 2024, sabi ni PBBM, I don't know anymore. I'm a little dismayed to hear she doesn't think we are friends. 11 November 2024, nag-attend si former President Duterte ng 11th Quadcom hearing. 13 November 2024, E.S. Bersamin said local authorities would consider cooperating with the Interpol if the ICC seeks the intervention of the International Anti-Crime Body. 14 November 2024, nung nakaraang taon, ang sabi ng ating Pangulo, if that's the wish of Duterte, we will not block the ICC. We will not just cooperate. 28 November, first bicameral conference tungkol sa 2025 GAA, and the 2nd of December 2024, first formal impeachment case against VP Sara. 11 December, second BICAM. 18 December, ang privilege speech ko at sumunod yung mga kaso. And 19 December, third impeachment complaint. 13 January 2025, itong taon na ito, INC Peace Rally in Manila. And 24 January, itong taon na to, Secretary of Justice Remulla said, the Marcos administration will sit down with the ICC and discuss certain areas of cooperation in the latter's investigation. He also said, cooperation with an international tribunal is permissible, noting that ICC representatives have already been going in and out of the country without us raising anything. So may admission po ron, and 28 January 2025, may mga declare the 2025 national budget unconstitutional. Nung 5 February nitong taong to, impeachment of VP Sara was approved in the House of Representatives. 10 February, the ICC prosecutor